Hi guys, so this video is just an update I want to share with you guys. So you're going to learn two things from this video. One, you're going to understand the power of where are your viewers coming from. So you're going to see how location affects the amount of money you make on YouTube as a content creator. Another thing you're going to learn is the power of consistency. Sometimes the content doesn't have to be perfect. Some videos that do well are videos people never imagined that, oh, this video is going to come out this way. And before you know, but just because they did the video and it was available, somehow the algorithm pushed it, or somehow another factor stepped in to make the whole experience very interesting. All right, so I'm going to show you how we saw an RPM when we're doing some analysis. So we saw an RPM of over $50. The interesting thing is that this video, when I made this video, I had no expectation. I was even smiling. So, okay, let's just put it out there. Sometimes in your niche, I'm going to give you this advice. In your niche, look for some of these obvious things. Things that are so obvious, but they're relevant, and do about it, or make content on it. So how can you identify these obvious or common topics to write about? So look for something that almost everyone must have done when doing a particular thing or doing a particular project or going through a particular process, and make a video about that simple thing, not even the difficult ones that not everyone is able to do. You understand? It's a smart way for you to grow your channel because you're really talking about something that has a high search volume per se, or it has a high attempt volume, even if it's not, you're not sure that it has happened in the online space, but do a video about it. You might be surprised. I've heard stories where there are videos of how to drink water and the views is really interesting. Okay. So in this video, we made a video that talks about how to log in to your Gmail account. Now, let me shock you. This video doesn't have up to 2K views as at the time when we did the analysis. And this video also doesn't have less than 1K views. But we made a mind-blowing amount of money from that particular video. So I'm going to show you that in this video. So don't forget, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to learn how to grow your YouTube channel. And if you want to learn the tricks, the hack, the sacrifice, the efforts we made in growing ours, okay? And you're also going to learn. So for everyone, whether you're a company owner, you're a consultant, you're a coach, you're a business owner, and even if you are a entertainment content creator, you're going to learn one or two things, how to leverage or how to take advantage of these features, because some of our contents now are applicable across all industries. So you don't want to miss it. And we also have a special playlist for this. So if you want to go back to other updates or other interesting tricks or other interesting topics we've covered, make sure you visit the description section of this video and find the playlist and also consume other resources and grow your YouTube channel and get successful as a content creator on YouTube. I want to hope that you get monetized soon. And also for those of you monetized, that your revenue keeps growing higher, bigger, and better. So let's jump right straight into this proof. All right, guys. So let's launch YouTube Studio. Every YouTuber should have this app. Okay, so I'm going to click on content at the bottom. So I'm going to show you the content that has a very high RPM. Okay, so let me search. Okay, I could just search Gmail because it's a Gmail content I made. The funny thing is that the thumbnail is not even actually so fine. Okay, so you can see, I think it's still increasing. Oh, nice. So this video has 11 watch hour. Then revenue generated is about 104. This is very amazing. I won't lie to you. And it's about how to log into Gmail, how to sign in on Gmail. Very simple. So let's click on analytics. Okay, so you can see the views. It's not even up to 2K as at this time when this recording was done. So you can see this is 1.9K. And it took some time before this content started doing well. Subscribers just for estimated revenue, $104. Okay, so if you want to check out the audience, you click on audience at the top. Yeah. Okay, this is viewers. This is viewers also watch. A lot of them came from computer. Wow, interesting. Mobile 18.3%. So this is really a deep analysis on what is working so well in terms of revenue. So top geographies, you can see United States is 73.3. Very interesting. Okay, so let's click on this. So let's see the first 24 hours, 7 days, not 28 days, 90 days. So you could see. But if we click on since published is 73.3%. So these are all the analysis you can get out of this. So you can see the revenue per 1K view is $54.11. I'm not sure you guys have ever seen this. Okay? I doubt it. So how much advertisers pay for 1K view? So the RPM, revenue per impression. Alright guys, so this is all in this video. Don't forget to like this video, share, comment, drop a comment in the comment section, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. Don't forget it's great, and you can always find us by searching on YouTube. So this is our beautiful channel. Come join the community. Make sure you subscribe. Alright guys, so see you in our next video, and bye for now.